Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Students Guide by SZ. I teach students to do hard work with smartness by grasping at its root instead of shallow mugging up of the text. So please like, share and subscribe. Okay, in this video I'm going to explain about Patra. This is for grade 9 and 10. So let's seize the day. औपचारिक पत्र ऐसे पत्र जो सरकारी कार्यालयों के कर्मचारी, प्रधानाचार्य, प्रकाशक, व्यावसायिक संस्थाओं के अधिकारी, दुकानदारों आदि को लिखे जाते हैं औपचारिक पत्रों की श्रेणी में आते हैं. मीन्स it is also known as professional letters and it is written to government officials, teachers, principal, publishers, businessmen and shopkeeper etc. Okay. पत्र के प्रकार means types of letters. There are two types of letters, औपचारिक पत्र and अनौपचारिक पत्र. अनौपचारिक पत्र means informal letters. ऐसे पत्र जो घनिष्ठ संबंधियों, मित्रों, परिचितों आदि को लिखे जाते हैं अनौपचारिक पत्र कहलाते हैं. इन्हें व्यक्तिगत पत्र भी कहा जाता है. Means it is known as personal letter. These are written to family members, close relatives and friends. Okay. Now I'll explain you more about the अनौपचारिक पत्र or informal letter and what type of question you will get. Question. आपकी दीदी डॉक्टर बनना चाहती है. Your sister wants to be a doctor. वे मेडिकल प्रवेश परीक्षा की तैयारी कर रही है. शी इज़ प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द मेडिकल एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम. वे परीक्षा में सफल हो और उन्हें किसी अच्छे मेडिकल कॉलेज में प्रवेश मिल सके ये शुभकामना व्यक्त करते हुए दीदी को एक पत्र लिखिए. मीन्स राइट अ लेटर टू हर विशिंग हर गुड लक टू पास इन द एग्ज़ाम्स एंड गेट एडमिशन इन गुड मेडिकल कॉलेज. Okay, now the answer. Pariksha Bhavan, Nai Delhi. Okay, why Pariksha Bhavan? Because either you write Pariksha Bhavan or any random address, but don't write your own address because we don't want to disclose our identity in the board paper. Okay, then the place Nai Delhi. Here you can write Mumbai, Calcutta, Agra, Banaras, whatever place you want you can write. It is up to you. Then goes Dinak. This is 20th March 2000. Any number you can write, whichever year you want you can write. Then comes Adarniya Didi. Adarniya Didi means respected sister. Here you can write, suppose you are writing letter to your father or uncle, then you have to write Pujya. Okay. Suppose you are writing letter to your mother or your aunt, then you have to write Pujya. Okay. Then comes Sadar Pranam. That also means greetings. You can also write Sadar Charan Sparsh over here. Okay. Okay, now comes the main body of the letter. We should write in a good and neat handwriting because as you know, good handwriting means good marks. We should write to the point and not exceed the word limit because the time will be wasted and they will reduce the marks for writing extra. Now let's see the main body. आशा है आप स्वस्थ और आनंद होगी. होप यू विल बी फाइन. बहुत दिनों से आपका कोई समाचार नहीं मिला. आई डिडंट गेट एनी न्यूज़ मीन्स इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट यू. शायद आप इन दिनों मेडिकल प्रवेश परीक्षा की तैयारियों में लगी होगी. You must be busy in preparing for the medical entrance exam. मैं जानती हूँ कि छात्रावास में रहते हुए आपको वो सुविधा नहीं आपको वो सुविधा तो नहीं मिलती होगी जो घर पर रहकर मिलती है. Means, I know that being in a hostel you won't get all the facility which you get in the home. पर मैं समझती हूँ वहाँ रहकर आप परीक्षा की तैयारी अच्छी तरह से कर सकेगी. But you will be able to concentrate on the study there. Next para. मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आपकी मेहनत रंग लाएगी. I believe your hard work will be rewarded. ईश्वर से मेरी यही प्रार्थना है कि इस प्रवेश परीक्षा को आप बहुत अच्छे अंकों से उत्तीर्ण करें तथा आपको देश के सबसे अच्छे मेडिकल कॉलेज में प्रवेश मिले. I pray to God that you should pass the exam in good rank and get the admission in the best medical college. इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं सहित means with best wishes, okay? आपकी छोटी बहन, your younger sister. Here you don't need to write your name, you can write K, K, G, means any random letter, okay? Next question. अपने मित्र को उसके 15वीं जन्मदिन पर शुभकामनाएं देते हुए एक पत्र लिखिए. Meaning, write a letter and wish your friend on his 15th birthday. Okay? Now let's see the answer. Okay, now answer. Pariksha Bhavan, Nai Delhi. As I told you before, you can write any random address but not your own address. Okay? Then comes Dinak, that is date, 15th October 2000. Here you can write any year you want. Okay. Then Priya Mitra Anubhav. Suppose your friend's name is Anubhav. So Priya Mitra Anubhav. Here you can write Priya Bandhu also. Okay. And suppose if a girl is writing letter to a girl, then it will be Meri Pyari Saheli. Okay, मेरी प्रिय सहेली. Then comes सप्रेम नमस्ते, means greetings. Okay. अगले सप्ताह तुम्हारा 15वां जन्मदिन आ रहा है. Means next week your 15th birthday is coming. मेरी तरफ से 15वीं जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभ और मंगल कामनाएं. Wishes to you on your birthday. Best wishes to you on your birthday. Okay. ये जन्मदिन तुम्हारे मेरी ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना है कि ये जन्मदिन तुम्हारे जीवन में उल्लास और उमंग का रंग भर दे. I pray to God that this day brings you happiness and excitement in your life. तुम हर साल अच्छे अंकों से परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण हो और अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करो. Means every year you should pass in your exam with good ranks and may you accomplished your goals in life. सफलता हमेशा तुम्हारे कदम चूमे. And the success is right under beneath your feet. पुनः ढेर सारी शुभकामनाओं के साथ means again best wishes on your birthday. तुम्हारा घनिष्ठ मित्र, your best friend, क ख ग. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. परीक्षा शुरू होने के पहले आपकी मौसी ने आपके लिए कुछ परीक्षा उपयोगी पुस्तकें डाक से भिजवाई थी. Before your exam, your mausi means your mother's sister. Okay. Before your exam, your aunt has sent few useful books for exams through post. इन पुस्तकों के कारण आपकी बहुत अच्छी तैयारी हुई और आपकी परीक्षा भी बहुत अच्छी हुई. Means due to this books you are able to prepare for the exam well, as well as your exam also went well. अपनी मौसी को धन्यवाद देते हुए आभार प्रदर्शन का एक पत्र लिखिए. Write a letter expressing your gratitude to her. Okay? Pariksha Bhavan, Nai Delhi. Okay? This place you can write any other place. For example, Calcutta, Chennai, Kerala, whatever you want. Then comes Dinak, 18th May 2000. Here you can write any number. For example, 2019, 2020. That is up to you. Okay. Then comes Adarniya Mausi Ji, means respected aunt. Sadar Charan Sparsh. This is greetings. Okay. Okay. So now the main body of the letter. मैं यहाँ कुशल पूर्वक हूँ तथा आशा करता हूँ कि आप भी सकुशल होगी. I am fine here and hope that you all are good there. मेरी परीक्षा समाप्त हो चुकी है और अब छुट्टियों में मैं ताई जी के यहाँ शिमला जा रहा हूँ. My exams are over and I am going to Shimla to meet my aunt. Now here Tai ji. Okay. Father's brother is known as Taya and his wife is Tai ji. Okay. So I am going to meet my aunt. मौसी जी, मैं आपके किन शब्दों में शुक्रिया अदा करूं? I really don't know how to thank you enough. कि आप परीक्षा से पहले यदि आपने मेरे लिए पुस्तकें ना भिजवाई होती तो मेरी परीक्षा इतनी अच्छी नहीं हो सकती थी. Meaning of the sentence is, due to the useful book which you send, I was able to study well. मुझे विश्वास है कि मैं इस परीक्षा को बहुत अच्छे अंकों के साथ उत्तीर्ण करूँगा. Means I believe that I'll get good marks in the exam. शेष कृपया है. Everything is well. आदरणीय मौसा जी तथा दीदी को मेरा प्रणाम निवेदित कीजिएगा. Means respected uncle and sister. Give my regards to respected uncle and sister. Okay. एक बार फिर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thanking you once again. आपका अपना ही means yours. क ख ग. Okay. Suppose you are writing the letter to your father or mother. Then it will be आपका बेटा. Okay. For son, beta. And for daughter, beti. Suppose you are writing a letter to your uncle, that is mother's brother. Then here you have to write आपका अपना भांजा. For boy, bhanja. For girl, bhanji. Suppose you are writing letter to your uncle, means father's brother. Then here it will be आपका अपना भतीजा. For son, for boy, भतीजा, and for girl, भतीजी. Okay. Okay. Here let me tell you, don't leave this question. No matter how much less time you have, write the first, means the beginning part, and the last part at least. Okay. And the main body, write as much as you can write. Maybe 2 or 3 sentences also. But don't leave this question. Okay. Fine. This was the end of the video. I hope you understood the topic. Please click the bell icon for my new updates. Best of luck for your exam. Take care. Bye.